Hare Krishna. Are we living in the golden age? We know this is Kali Yuga. Then how come golden age? At your service, Swarup Krishna Das. Can we clear this doubt? Let me begin by paying my respectful obeisances to my spiritual master. Stay with me till the end. Use the video and freely share it. Hare Krishna. Dvaipayan Vyasdeva is the literary incarnation of Lord Krishna. He is the author of the Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, Mahabharata, Vedanta Sutra, and other Vedic literatures. One of the prominent Vedic literature is Brahma Vaivarta Purana. This describes how Mother Ganges approached Lord Krishna and said, "O Protector, Supreme Enjoyer, after your departure for the Supreme Abode, Goloka, what will be my condition in the degraded age of Kali?" The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "On the earth, 5,000 years of Kali will be very sinful, and sinners will deposit their sins in you by bathing. Thereafter, simply by the sight and touch of those who worship me by my mantra, all those sins will be burnt at once." In this verse, Krishna defines who are those pure devotees. Man mantra upashaka, one who is doing upasana or worship of Krishna by chanting Krishna's mantra. Krishna says literally, my mantra, man mantra. This mantra Krishna is referring to is the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Next verse says, Harer namani yatra eva puranani bhavantihi. Everywhere there will be chanting of the name of Hari and reading of the Purana, Bhagavat Purana. At that time, you can also go to such a place and attentively hear my glorification. Brihad Naradya Purana says, Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namaiva Kevalam, Kalo Nasti Eva, Nasti Eva, Nasti Eva, Gatir Anyatha. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only means of deliverance is the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. Thereafter, Brahma Vaivarta Purana reveals a golden prophecy. Kaler dasha sahasrani madbhakta shanti bhutale eka varna bhavishyanti madbhakteshu gateshu cha. For 10,000 years of Kali, such devotees of mine will fill the whole planet. After the departure of my devotees, there will only be one varna, outcast. After the 10,000 years, completely devoid of my devotees, the earth will be shackled by Kali. Saying this, Lord Krishna departed. Srimad Bhagavatam clarifies the disappearance of Lord Krishna. Located at Prabhas Kshetra in Gujarat, India, Lord Sri Krishna, seeing before him Brahma, the grandfather of the universe, along with the other demigods, who are all his personal and powerful expansions, the Almighty Lord closed his lotus eyes, fixing his mind within himself, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Without employing the mystic Agni meditation to burn up his transcendental body, which is the all-attractive resting place of all the worlds and the object of all contemplation and meditation, Lord Krishna entered into his own abode. This event caused the advent of Kali Yuga. As soon as Lord Sri Krishna left the earth, truth, religion, faithfulness, glory, and beauty immediately followed him. Kettle drums resounded in the heavens, and flowers showered from the sky. Most of the demigods and higher living beings, led by Brahma, could not see Lord Krishna as he was entering his own abode, since he did not reveal his movements. But some of them did catch sight of him, and they were extremely amazed. Just as ordinary men cannot ascertain the path of a lightning bolt as it leaves a cloud, the demigods could not trace out the movements of Lord Krishna as he returned to his abode. The date of disappearance has been ascertained as 18th February 3102 BCE. This is based on evidences of date of Mahabharata war as well as other Puranic calculations. Lord Krishna folded 125 years of his divine pastime manifestation on this earth planet in this universe. Srimad Bhagavatam in Canto 7, Chapter 9, verse 38 reveals, "In this way, my Lord, you appear in various incarnations as a human being, an animal, a great saint, a demigod, a fish, or a tortoise, thus maintaining the entire creation in different planetary systems and killing the demoniac principles. According to the age, O my Lord, you protect the principles of religion. In the age of Kali, however, you do not assert yourself as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and therefore you are known as Tri-Yuga, or the Lord who appears in three yugas. Lord appeared as Ramchandra in human being form. He appeared as Narasimha, half lion, half man. Dwaipayan Vyasdeva, the author, himself is a literary incarnation of the Lord. Lord Vamana or Upendra, son of Kashyap Muni and Aditi. Matsya Avatar is the fish incarnation. Kurma Avatar, who participated in the Samudra Manthan, is tortoise incarnation. Varaha Avatar or boar incarnation, saving Mother Earth and maintaining the entire creation in different planetary systems. Varaha Avatar, fighting and killing the demoniac principles. Lord Krishna as charioteer in the battle of Kurukshetra to protect the principles of religion. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the age of Kali as Channa Avatar, hidden incarnation, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Appearance of Lord Chaitanya happened around divine circumstances. On 18th February 1486, he appeared to Jagannath Mishra and Mother Sachi in Navadvipa, Nadia, West Bengal, India. He was known as Vishwambhara, Lord of the Universe. His complexion was golden and hence was named Gauranga. He was born under a neem tree and called Nimai Pandit. He was an highly erudite scholar. Lord Chaitanya established the congregational chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, mantra based on Kali Santarana Upanishad of Atharva Veda. Prophecy of Lord Chaitanya. পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর নাম. In every town and village the chanting of my name will be heard. The desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is that all over the world, everyone in every village and every town know of him and his Sankirtan movement. Lord Chaitanya emphasized, chanting of the name and qualities of Krishna is the life and energy of the Vaishnavas. I will reveal these activities and rejuvenate pure devotional service unto myself. In this way, I will destroy all the sins in Kali Yuga. So all of you, my associates, go ahead and take birth on the earthly planet before my advent and don't remain behind. He further stated, taking the sharp sword of the congregational chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, Nam Sankirtana, I will root out and destroy the demoniac mentality in the hearts of all the conditioned souls. Further, he revealed about his Senapati Bhakta. If some sinful people escape and giving up religious principles go to the far-off countries, then my Senapati Bhakta, military commander, will come at that time to give them Krishna consciousness. Abhay Charan De was born in family of Gaur Mohan De of Kolkata, India on 1st September 1896. This period ends the first 5,000 years after advent of Kali Yuga. Same year, the Western countries learned about Lord Chaitanya and his movement. Thereafter, Abhay Charan De grew up to become a world preacher of Sanatana Dharma and spread the Hare Krishna movement throughout the world. His Divine Grace, Abhay Charan Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, is therefore the Senapati Bhakta of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Srila Prabhupada has repeated the golden prophecy. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, he ushered in the era for the Sankirtan movement. It is also said that for 10,000 years, this era will continue. This provides the opportunity for the fallen souls of Kali Yuga to take to the Krishna consciousness movement, chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and thus be delivered from the clutches of material existence and return home back to Godhead. Hare Krishna. Please feel free to contact Swarup Krishna Das at email ID and WhatsApp number provided below. You can press the like button, share the video, provide feedback through comments, even ask questions, subscribe to the channel and check the other videos in the series. You can look forward to more such videos. Do press the like button icon for notification. Hare Krishna.